What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here. We have a whole bunch of eBay and Amazon orders to pull and pack and ship over the weekend. It is Monday, day after Easter. Hopefully you guys all had a great Easter. We just hung out, ate a lot. I ate so much and drank so much mimosas. It was crazy. It was a fun day though. We had a really good time. Just me and the girlfriend hanging out. So now I'm gonna pull all my orders. We have a whole bunch of things that need to be packaged and shipped out. Let's go. All right, I kind of cleared out a little area to place some of the Amazon orders. Everything's kind of a mess right now. I mean, this stuff should go off to Amazon, but Amazon's still not accepting like most of these. So I think I might start listing them as a merchant just for now to hope that some of them sell. Also, it is dumping outside. It is crazy weather. So I'm gonna pull some orders, stick them right here. Let's see what we got. All right, first thing is in this mess. We have a video game that should be down in here. Let's see if I can find it. It's in here somewhere. I actually sold a few of these things, I can tell. I think it's this one, right? No, it's not that one. It's in here. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of digging and then I'll find it for you guys. Alright, I still can't find it. It's somewhere in there, but I'm gonna pull out some of the things that I know sold. We have this Michael Jackson cassette set. It is a 2 cassette set, and this thing sold for $44.99 plus shipping. The buyer was all in about $53, $54 on this thing. Pretty sweet for a cassette tape. The next thing we have on Amazon is right here. I wrapped it all up. It is a PlayStation Vita, and this sold for $133.94. Not bad. Not bad at all. Actually, really good. So I'm still looking for a little Nintendo DS game, and it's not in here. This is where I keep just all of my loose like cartridge games, and it's not in there at all. So I have no idea where I set it down. Hopefully nowhere too far. These are unlisted. These I just have to lot up. They're not worth much. Yeah, that's not good. I gotta organize real bad today. That's the goal for today, to reorganize this area right up here. Well, that's alright. We'll pull the rest of the Amazon orders, and I'll find it. Alright, the next order is a puzzle. I have a bunch of puzzles. I got a bunch of Funko Pops. I got a whole bunch of crazy stuff. Where is the puzzle that sold, though? Right here, Disney. Bam! We got a 300-piece Disney Dumbo Puzzle. This thing sold for $44.95 plus shipping, so great sale on a puzzle. Alright, we actually had another puzzle sale right up here. This one, whoa, is a 500-piece puzzle. This also sold for $44.95. Great nut plus shipping, so another over $50 just about. On 2 puzzles, there's $100 in puzzles. We have another puzzle sale. This one right here, Pine Road Service, a 1,000-piece puzzle, also sold for $44.95. So I just kind of make my prices on this stuff. I got a whole bunch of bulk puzzles, as you guys can tell. Well, not a whole bunch, but they're almost gone. And same thing with Funko Pops. I buy a lot of things in bulk, and this was perfect because puzzles are a hot commodity right now. There's nobody on a lot of these listings, so I just make up my own price. So I was just pricing them around 45 bucks, and they're selling, so that's what I mean, maybe I could price them at 60 bucks and they'd still sell, but I'm happy at the price where it's at. So $44.95 plus shipping. We're at about $150 in puzzle sales right here. Alright, we have another puzzle sale. This is a big boy, 1,000-piece puzzle, Wasiji 8. This is used. It's just open box. I talked about this in a previous video earlier this weekend. This one, again, sold for... Oh, actually, this one went for a little bit more, $49.99. So we're at about $200 in puzzle sales over the weekend. Awesome, and I think we have a few more. Yep. This one right underneath also sold, this Kodak 1,500-piece puzzle. Sold for $49.99, so another 50 bucks. So we're at, what, $100, $200, $250 in puzzle sales, and we might have a few more that sold. We have another puzzle. This one didn't go for as much, but I'm still happy with the sale. There we go. This sewing collage puzzle sold for $22.02. Alright, we sold this puzzle right here, this Thomas Kincaid Nice looking puzzle, honestly. This one sold for $37.79 plus shipping, so just over 40 bucks on this. And I think that's it for the puzzles. Lots of money in puzzles this weekend. Super happy about those sales. I wish I had more of them. Alright, the next item that's sold is over here. It's a big item. Where did I place it? That's the question. It is a keyboard. There it is, right down here. Sold some of the stuff that I've been listing. I just don't have a lot of space for it right now. But look at this. Oh, I'll slide this out. It is a nice de novo Edge keyboard. It's all in there, tested, works great. This keyboard sold for $299.99. So 300 bucks. Not bad. So we have over $300 in puzzles, $300 keyboard, $133 PS Vita. Looking pretty good, and we still have lots of orders to pull. Also, I've been told before about this like mark on the rug right here. The basement flooded when we first moved into this house, and I just can't get these stains out. They're like water stains. It's not wet or anything. I plan on ripping this rug out eventually. Just haven't done it yet. The world's been crazy. I haven't felt like doing anything like that. I'm doing sales on eBay. We actually had one more order upstairs that I totally forgot about. This guy, this golf puzzle right there. Monopoly Golf Signature Holes Edition. This sold for $64.94 plus shipping. Now, this box right here was originally going to go off to FBA along with a lot of this stuff down here. Well, once FBA got shut down, they've been sitting here, and I've been converting the listings to merchant fulfilled to try and get them to move. Those, along with these, along with all of these CDs were all supposed to go to FBA, along with these toys, and yeah, now they're just taking up space. So, switching everything over to merchant fulfilled. It's taking up space in the office, but hey, it's fine. Alright, moving to eBay sales, we have this lot of CDs, disc only, 100 of them, sold for $14.94 shipped. I shipped them via media mail. It only cost me about $3.33 to ship all of these, so that's not bad. These are just duds that ended up not being worth anything, but hey, if somebody wants to listen to some music, they got 100 CDs for under 15 bucks. Great deal. Next, we have a Blu-ray over here. This is, whoa, no, that's not good. This is the very end of my horror movie Blu-rays that I purchased in a big lot. You could see I only got, what, 1, 2, 3 left. Those are the only 3 left from that huge bulk buy I did. This one right here, Howling 2, sold for $40.85 shipped. Next, we have another DVD right here. The Waltons, Season 5, brand new sealed, sold for $24.95 shipped. I picked this up for like $2, $3, something like that, at a coffee shop. I went to a coffee shop in Connecticut here at a random place, and they sold books, CDs, DVDs, and stuff. And my girlfriend was getting a coffee, looking at books, and I started scanning DVDs and CDs. And this was one of them. I think I sold out all the others. I bought like 3 or 4 seasons of this, and they were all brand new. I bought a few other CDs too. I don't know if they sold yet. Those were in Amazon. But, you know, I made some great money, got her coffee, and it cost me nothing because I made money. Woohoo! Next, we have this controller right here. It's an Xbox 360, really cool wireless red metallic controller. And I picked this up right before the shutdown, the lockdown. I went to Goodwill and I got a whole bunch of Xbox controllers. I ended up actually buying some of these random tubs of things right there. I ended up buying a couple other things. I think that puzzle right there. This was all going to go to FBA, and this was right before the shutdown. So I said, you know what, I'm going to start listing some of this stuff on eBay, and this one sold for $34.95. I paid $3 for it. Not bad for a $35 sale. Next, we have a t-shirt up here. Got to find the correct one. I think it's this one right here. It's Ash vs. Evil Dead, size XL. Pretty cool. You could kind of see him there. You'll see it better when I pop it up on the screen. But this sold for $26.09, free shipping. Super lightweight, should only cost me about $3 to ship it. Alright, I sold a horror movie DVD lot. It's all of these movies back here and back there. So I gotta pull them all out. I'll do that after I pull everything else. But all of these movies sold for $24.95, free shipping. There's 40 of them. Alright, I sold a VHS tape, another horror thing. I guess people want to get their horror movie fix in while they're all stuck inside. This right here, Dr. Butcher MD. Pretty cool artwork. This sold for $29.99, free shipping. Paid $1 for it at the thrift store. Alright, I sold this Game Boy Color, which I know I saw right down in here. Let's pull it out. There it is. Alright, this Game Boy Color, it's in rough condition. It's got like some fading in the colors and everything, but it works. Tested and fully works. And this thing sold for $44.90 free shipping, which that's honestly kind of a premium for one in this rough of shape. So hopefully the buyer likes it. And yeah, not bad. By the way, I bought this at a tag sale. I think I paid like $2 for it. Not bad. I didn't think it was going to work because it was in such rough shape. I had to buy a replacement battery door cover for the back, so I dropped about $3 on that on eBay. So all in all, I'm in at like $5. Not bad. Alright, we have another Game Gear game. Let's see if I can find it in here. There it is. Paperboy 2 for the Game Gear. Sold for $14.95 free shipping. Not bad. These Game Gear games sell for, you know, decent amount of money actually. Here we go. We have a phenomenal DVD sale. Picked this up at Goodwill, I think it was. Goodwill or some random store. I don't remember. I didn't pay much for it. Maybe $3 for the most. I have to find it in here. I think it's behind this stuff. Is it? Yes, it is. There it is. The very first DVD back here. It took a while to sell, but it finally sold. I got a premium since it has that slip cover on it. Freaked sold for $59.99 free shipping, so $60 for a DVD. Very, very, very stoked about that. We have another cartridge video game in here that sold. Mario Golf. Sold for $11.89. Shipped. Found this out in the garage in a box of Death Pile video games and tested it. Worked great. Almost $12. I'll take it. Okay, we actually have another game in here that sold. This Batman game right here, Batman Return of the Joker. This Game Boy game sold for $22.95 shipped. Honestly, I'm super happy about these video game sales. Clearing up some space in here. I don't know, I have nowhere really to keep these. I might start keeping them all in these drawers so they're easier to find. That's what I used to do. And then I think I'm just going to do all CDs in here for now. Alright, this was also in a death pile of video game stuff. It was a random Panasonic 3DO controller, and this sold for $35.95. Great sale, $36 for a video game controller, an old one at that. I'll take it all day. Now this one's not as valuable, but still sold, still a video game controller. This Wii controller sold for $11.92 free shipping. I got this very recently, a few, maybe 5 days ago or so. Facebook Marketplace, I bought a Wii, a few controllers, some games, and a bunch of stuff came with it. This was one of the extras. Paid $50 for all of it. This controller sold for $11.92 free shipping. Now, I didn't actually meet the person when I bought it. They left it out on their porch. I paid them via Venmo, and then I got, or maybe I paid them via PayPal, one or the other. And then I just picked up everything, and this was one of the items. Not bad. Alright, we have another video game over here. This one right back here. Crazy Taxi for the GameCube, and it's complete. And this sold for $13.04 with free shipping for a GameCube game. Pretty awesome. We have another horror t-shirt up here. This one, perfect. Michael Myers, he's dressed as a clown with a pumpkin jack-o'-lantern back there. Pretty creepy. This one sold for $26.09 shipped. And I'm running low on my horror t-shirts. I think I only have like 1, 2, 3 left, so hopefully they sell, and then all I have are these 3 left, and I could see how much money I total made on that horror movie t-shirt purchase and see if it was a good purchase. I can make a video on that soon as well. Alright, the rest of the stuff is downstairs that's sold on eBay. We actually have, let's see if I can pull it up right here, another puzzle. Awesome, I like these puzzle sales. This one right here, Good Housekeeping. It is Alice in Wonderland, 1,000-piece puzzle, sold for $49.95 free shipping. So another $50 on our puzzle pile. You can't go wrong. I love puzzles. Next we have an auction that I did. Let's see if we can find it. I think this is it right here. Yes, it's a whole bunch of Disney Infinity figures. There they are. I started the auction at $14.95 free shipping because that's what I would have listed it at, and that's about what these ones were worth. About $15, maybe a little bit more. I mean, obviously a little bit more because it auctioned up a little bit. Sold for $18.01 free shipping, so I'm happy about that. They are kind of heavy. I don't know exactly where they're going. They're going to Michigan, so kind of far. We'll see how much they end up costing to ship, but I might be able to ship them right here in this mailing box, put a little bit of bubble wrap in there. Not bad. And the last item that sold is this big Star Wars figures right here. These ones sold for $37.99, free shipping. Going to Ohio. We'll see how much it ends up costing me to ship because it is pretty big, bulky, and heavy. Hopefully not too much to ship because, I mean, that's just what they're going for. I couldn't price them any more or any less, really. I priced them for the going rate. You can see some Star Wars stuff down here I've been listing. I paid $100 for a lot of Star Wars toys. I have an auction going on eBay right now with a few of the smaller ones. And some of these bigger ones I just listed individually. I have a few in Amazon's warehouse as well, and a few listed on Amazon. So hopefully I make some good money. Like I said, I paid $100 for this stuff a while ago. It's been sitting in a death pile. And now that I have all this time, everything's getting listed. Alright, so that's everything. I had the one DS game that I can't find. It's a Cooking Mama game, and I don't know where I would have placed it. I would have placed it where all those other little loose games are, so I need to organize up a little bit more, but it's definitely not down here. This is where I keep a lot of the bigger, bulkier things. We have some games right here. Actually, we had a game that I don't think I pulled. It's this game right here. So actually, there was another game that I didn't show you guys. Let me move everything out of the way. Here it is, Leisure Suit Larry 1, 2, and 3 on floppy disk. Sold for $65 on a best offer on eBay. So sweet, that is actually the last order. So it's time for me to start packing. Alright, just got a notification on my phone. I actually have 2 auctions going on. They both end in a day and 3 hours. And this stuff is starting to auction up. We got $20 for a lot of cars right there. $26 for a lot of vintage cars right here. And I have another lot that just doesn't have any bids yet, so we'll wait for that one as well. Let's see if we can see what that lot is. We'll find... no, we want to sort. Let's sort by highest bid. And there it is. We have, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7... 7 other auctions going on with no bids yet. It's okay, we'll see if they end up getting any bids or not. We have 1 watcher, 3 watchers, 2 watchers, 3 watchers. 0 on that one, sadly. But that's okay, we'll see what ends up happening. 2 there, 0 there. So hopefully they start getting bids and we start selling this stuff. How I'm doing these auctions, I'm just doing a price that I'd be okay to actually sell it at. And if it gets bid up from there, then I'm happy. Alright guys, it is a few hours later and I am so happy and so pleased to tell you guys that this thing sold right here. This massive, massive toy. Oh no. Okay, hold on. This is hard to do with one hand. Let me try that again. This massive toy. Perfect. We'll just stick it right here for now. This thing is huge and I took a gamble, right? I listed it for $160, free shipping. I was hoping it would ship somewhere very close to me. If it was going to California, that would have been an issue. This is like half my height almost. This thing is huge. And I really didn't want to have to ship this thing to California. Well, second best place for it to go. First best place would be Connecticut, because I'm in Connecticut. But it went to New York, which is about an hour and a half away. That is awesome. Super, super happy about that. They should be extremely cheap to ship. And we have one more Amazon sale. This was on eBay. We have one more Amazon sale. And it's a video game. Let's grab it. Alright, it's a video game right over here somewhere. Right here. Beautiful. Dance Dance Revolution for the Wii. Sold for $23.94 plus shipping, which comes out to $28.56. Great deal. You can see I originally had it in Amazon. It got returned, shipped back to me, and I listed it as a merchant, and it still sold. 24 bucks. Awesome. And I believe that's all the sales for the day.